Water cycle, an important natural phenomenon. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. This is a diagram of water cycle. Firstly, water evaporates due to heat energy, and trees do the process of transpiration to form water vapor. Then this water vapor condenses to form clouds. When the water vapor is condensed enough, it precipitate in form of rain, snow, or hail, then it percolate in the ground and water body. If we define every single term, evaporation means constant vaporization of water at any temperature. Transpiration means when plant through its leaves release water vapor. Condensation means formation of cloud through water vapor. Precipitation means falling of water in form of rain, snow, or hail. Percolation, it is a tough term. It means when water seep or percolate to underground water or a water body.